Hi friends, people do not know the severity or problems with diabetes until they get it. Diabetes is one of the deadliest diseases of the world. Diabetes can make a person suffer a lot by attacking nervous system, heart, kidneys, vision, and even causes depression. The good news is that if you are pre-diabetic or in the initial stages of diabetic, you can reverse it naturally. There are some wonderful herbs and spices given to us by nature. When nature created the diseases as logs, it also created herbs and other remedies as keys. You have to use the right key to unlock or heal the disease naturally. In this video, we will look at a wholesome herbal blend that combines all the best properties in fighting against diabetes and helps in preventing or reversing the process. For this, we need fenugreek seeds powder. Fenugreek seeds, also called as Methi seeds, work like a magic for diabetes. It contains high soluble fiber that can lower blood sugar and slows down absorption of carbs. You can take these seeds and grind them or get directly in powder form. Turmeric. This yellow herb contains an active component called curcumin that helps to decrease glucose levels in the blood. Turmeric prevents occurrence of diabetes and also helps in stabilizing blood sugar. Bay leaves. Research suggests that taking ground bay leaf can help to lower pre-meal blood sugar and cholesterol. Bay leaves have hypoglycemic effect that can significantly improve insulin functioning and glucose metabolism. Curry leaves. Curry leaves, which are commonly used in Indian cooking, can slow down the rate of starch to glucose breakdown in people with diabetes. Moreover, it keeps blood pressure in control and helps to maintain overall health. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon increases insulin sensitivity and makes insulin more functional. Also, it lowers bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and helps to reduce the risk of diabetes. Let's see how to make this. First, take one clean glass or ceramic plate. Take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed powder. You can grind this powder yourself from slightly roasted fenugreek seeds, or you can get ready-made one. I got fenugreek powder directly. Add a 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. It is hard to find a pure turmeric as it is mostly adulterated with artificial colors. So try to get organic turmeric powder. Take bay leaves in a clean and dry mixer grinder jar which can make powder. Grind it into a very fine powder. You can optionally strain the big particles to get fine smooth powder using a simple tea strainer. Add 1 tablespoon of ground bay leaves powder. Now take curry leaves powder. You can make this at home by grinding dried curry leaves easily. I have got already a ground one, so it is easy. Just add 1 tablespoon of ground curry leaves powder. Cinnamon powder. Just add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this mix. Now collect all these into a bowl and mix everything very well using a spoon. You can store this at room temperature in a container. Now take a saucepan. To this add 1 glass of water and bring it to boil. Add around 1 teaspoon of this powder. Mix very well and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Switch off the stove. Strain the contents into a cup using a tea strainer. You can enjoy this as hot tea or let it cool down and drink at room temperature as concoction. Irrespective of the condition, whether you are diabetic, pre-diabetic or even healthy, you can still consume this drink. But if you are already on sugar lowering medication, check with your doctor before taking this herbal drink. Along with this, do regular exercises and limit the calorie intake. You can definitely fight against diabetes and reverse pre-diabetes. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.